Ooh. Is that your remote control?
Absolutely right. It's protected, keep them in a nice place. No, absolutely not. They're not really because you're looking at and saying, you know, some countdown. What's another one, you know? Yeah, that's the sort of thing. Anyway, give him a round of applause, Phil, for being such a lovely guest on the show.
Oh, you turned it up. You turned it up.
Carol is still slaving over that. So I'm trying to get 571. Any luck, my love?
Yes, I have. Just give me another
Give me another minute. I'll talk to Keith in the meantime.
Did you do it?
Panto this year, do you? No, not for me. You used to do it. I have done it, yeah. Yeah. And many years ago, many moons ago, when my son was a little fella, I took him to the Panto and saw you playing the villain at the Richmond Theatre. Oh, really? Well, it was my very first one. Was it really? With Joan Sims, Kenny Connor, Jimmy Edwards. Yeah.
Did you do it with that?
Did a few shows, yeah. It's
Who said you could?
hard work.
Who said you could do that?
Yeah. I mean, you go in at 11 in the morning and come out what I do, and you come out at 11 at night. Yeah. And they say it must be a lot of fun. It's little bits of fun, and the rest is spent lying on the dressing room floor trying to recover.
Oh, what you done?
I still like to go in a way to a panto. Yeah. I love I think a good panto is great, and I think it's very important because it's the first introduction children had. That's right. To the theatre. Good news. Thank you, Keith. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much, Carol.
Yes, I've got it. 5 times 25, 125. Take 7 and the 3 away, that's 115. Multiply by 5 again. It's 579. As you probably spotted, just a little late.
Better late than never. Better late than never. And don't be late for us tomorrow, 3:30 as usual. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.